In this tutorial, I'll show how to use Read from here. On the speech menu, in the Mode section, Read from here will read documents aloud using a continuous reading mode, including emails, web pages and documents. I'm going to use a Microsoft Word document in this demonstration. Place the cursor where you want to have the text read back. Press the hotkey numberpad plus to start the reading process.
Ocean scientists split the ocean into vertical and horizontal zones based on physical and biological conditions.
To pause, press the middle mouse button or the space bar on your keyboard. You can navigate using the up and down arrows to read the next or previous lines. Click the space bar to continue the readback.
Conditions. The pelagic zone is the open ocean. The surface on depth and the amount. The surface of the ocean.
Click the space bar to pause. Press the hotkeys P to jump forward a paragraph and the left shift plus P back a paragraph. Press the hotkeys S to go forward a sentence and left shift plus S to go back a sentence. Click the space bar to continue.
The water column is further divided. Blank line ocean temperatures depend on the ocean scientists split the ocean into
Press the space bar to pause.